welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing amazing today. So in this week's video I'm going to be reviewing and kind of swatching and giving you a little bit of a demo of Makeup Revolution's new Eye Glisten dual-sided liquid eyeshadows. I have all 5 of the shades here. If you guys want to see how they work, how they swatch, how they apply, how they blend, all of that, then keep watching. And there is like a tiny little bit of a twist at the end of the video, which to be honest I didn't even expect. Hi! So the little plot twist is this eye look that I've created here, because the video kind of goes from like high to low to back high again. It's a roller coaster of emotions, I will say, in this video, but it's good and you guys should definitely keep watching. So before we get into the video, if you guys want to hit the like button and the subscribe button, I'll be so super happy. So these dual-ended liquid eyeshadows come with one foil metallic shadow and one glitter shadow. They are perfect from the go because you can literally use one side for like every day, and then if you're going out at night you can just whack the glitter shadow on, no glue required or anything like that. It's only 0.07 fluid ounces, which is 2.2 milliliters. These are also cruelty free and vegan as well. So I have all 5 of the liquid eyeshadows and online they are retailed at £6 each, but if you buy all 5 then you save £1 on each, so you can get all 5 for £25, which I think is incredible because they're basically like drugstore dupes of the Huda Beauty matte and melted liquid eyeshadow and the STILA glitter and glow eyeshadows, and those ones themselves are like £25 each, and I've got all 5 for basically the same price as one of their products. I got all 5 of mine from the Makeup Revolution website, but you can also get them on the Superdrug website, but I think there they are just £6 each. I don't think there's like a deal that comes with that one. So I'm just going to show you the inside of one. So if I take off the foil side, then that is the pot size of the foil side, and then the brush that comes with it is like a flocked flexible brush. I feel like that is like the perfect size brush for your lid because it literally can just sweep over in one go. And then if I do the same for the glitter side, it is the same size pot on that side as well, and then it comes with the same flexible flocked brush. So I'm going to swatch all 5 of these Eye Glisten eyeshadows individually. So the first swatch I'm going to show you is from yours truly. So we've got the rose gold metallic foil on one end and a muted pink glitter on the other end. And these are the swatches for you. So we've got the metallic one and then the glitter shadow. Oh my god, I cannot get over the pigmentation of these foil shadows. Like, this is one swatch of that shadow, and I love the gold undertones of this rose gold one. It is so pretty. I literally applied this like metallic shadow about 10-12 seconds ago and it's completely dry if I rub it. The glitter one takes a little bit longer to dry. The next shadow I'm going to show you is called It's Fate. So this is the foil end, which is like a champagne gold colour, and this is the glitter side, which is kind of like a cool gold glitter. Then these are the swatches on my hand. So this one is obviously the foil one, and this one is obviously the glitter one. I literally cannot get over the pigmentation and shine of that metallic one. That is insane. I feel like this glitter isn't as strong as yours truly was, and it's kind of like a bit flaky and a bit patchy on my hand. Again, they've dried super quickly, no smudging. So the next one I'm going to show you is Dreamland. So this is the foil side, which is like a deep gold copper colour, and then this is the glitter side, which is like a yellow glitter. These are the swatches for Dreamland. This is obviously the foil one and this is the glitter one. This copper metallic shade is so pigmented, but this gold one, I love the colour of the glitter, but again, it just swatched so patchy. Like, I feel like it could definitely be more intense on the glitter. So the next eye glisten I'm going to show you is called Adored by You. So this is the metallic foil end, which is a frosted rose gold colour, and this is the glitter end, which is like an iridescent pink colour. So these are the swatches from Adored by You. So obviously we've got the metallic and then we've got the glitter. I love this like metallic pink shade. I think this is so cute, especially for like Valentine's Day coming up. I really like this glitter colour because it's different to all the other glitters. In these other shadows you can literally see the flakes of glitter, whereas in this one the glitter flakes in it are just so minuscule and fine. And then the last swatch I'm going to show you is from Desired. So we've got the foil side, which is like a red copper colour, and then we've got the glitter side, which is just a very prominent pink red colour. And then these are the swatches. These are so pretty. The foil one is kind of like got a bit of a purpley undertone to it, and the red is just a very vibrant classic red. This red glitter shadow is made of like flakes of glitter compared to Adored by You, which was like iridescent. This one actually has like physical flakes of glitter in it, which does make it swatch a bit more patchy on my skin. This is my favourite shade so far. Right, so now that the swatching process is over, I'm going to show you how the products apply to my eyelids. So I have done basically most of my eye makeup. I've applied like shadows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette to create this look. So I think I'm going to use Adored by You for this look, and I'm going to apply the foil shadow all over my lid, and then I'm thinking I might go in with Yours Truly glitter shadow onto the top of my lid as well, and like kind of layer them up. So now you are super close to my face. So I'm just going to take the foil side of Adored by You, wipe a little bit of the excess off, and I'm going to use the flexible flocked brush to apply it onto my lid. This like flexible flocked brush is so soft on the lid. It's so flexible that you can literally like get such a clean precision line, like just like dabbing it across as well and then doing one swipe just to fill it in. It's so soft and creamy. It doesn't really smudge your makeup at all. And it just, I don't know, it just fits on the lid really well. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye using the same metallic shadow from Adore You, but I'm going to use that on a brush just to see how it applies. Like, it even works really well with a brush as well. You can either use the flex brush that comes with this, or use like a makeup brush if you want it to be like a little bit more precise and like manage how much product you're using on the lid. But the only issue I have with using a brush is that it's not as pigmented as it was when it came out of the original product. Obviously these need tidying up a bit more, like I'm going to go back and blend them out a bit, but that shine is incredible. Overall, from applying like the foil shadow, I think I would definitely prefer to apply it with the original brush. Just the brush itself is so delicate and soft and flexible that it just swipes the product on without picking up anything underneath. The shadow's only been on for like 10 seconds and it's already dry. Like, I can literally go straight back in with the glitter right now. So that's even better for on the go, because you can literally do it and it dries basically instantly, which could be a bit more difficult if you're trying to go for like a more detailed eye look. Like, it might be a bit harder to work with. So now I'm going to apply the glitter to my lid, and I'm going to take the glitter side from Yours Truly because I just think this pink shade works so much better with the Adore You one. So I'm going to take the glitter on the original flocked brush that it comes with, and I'm going to apply it to my lid. I love that glitter, it looks so nice. So I'm just going to do this eye now, and I'm going to take it on a brush, and I'm going to take this and dab it across my eyelid. Ah, okay. So applying it straight from the product to my eye seems to have, where I've swiped it across my lid, taken some of the foil shadow off underneath. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more and show you. So I don't know if you can see, but on this lid it kind of looks a little bit patchy with that foil shadow. Whereas this eye, it definitely seems like more solid in consistency and not like any of the product has been taken off. When applying the foil shadow, it's probably better to use the original brush that came with the product, whereas if you're applying the glitter, if you want to just like press it on very lightly on top, then I would take the glitter onto a flat packing brush and pack it onto the lid so you don't remove any of the product, and it's a lot more delicate process. So now that look is like a little bit more glam. So when I showed you with the foil, it's kind of like an everyday, like kind of glammed up look, and now with the glitters, it's definitely gone from, you know, everyday to night. Like, this is definitely something I would wear like on a night out. So far I'm absolutely loving this eye look. I'm loving the eyeshadows, but I am just going to pop off camera and tidy like the edges up and blend the eyeshadow in a bit more, just so it kind of looks a bit more tidy, and then I'll come back and let you know my final thoughts of the glitter eyeshadow things. I am back. I've just finished my eye look. I will say, like, when using the product, obviously I kind of did like half a cut crease. Around the edges it kind of dried really weird and kind of started to flake off, so I don't know if you can see, but like on the edge of my eyes, like, it's not really blended properly. And then where I was trying to blend it, instead of like blending out more, it just kind of sat and layered and layered and layered. So there was this like clear diagonal cracked line of eyeshadow and eye foil that had like mixed together, and it didn't look very good. So I had to kind of like build up the outer corner, which is why it's so dark on the outer corners. To be honest, I love these eye foils. Like, I love the pigmentation, I love the finish of them, but I just don't think it works very well with like other eyeshadows or trying to do like a dramatic eye look. Like, the blending will not work very well with them. But part of me thinks they just don't work very well together. Like, they don't layer up very well, and when you layer them on top, they kind of like clash and they take each other off. I think the final outcome of my eye makeup does look really good, like, don't get me wrong, but at the same time it did take a lot of work to try and get to look this half decent. Okay, so because I don't feel like that eye look turned out very well, I kind of thought that I would take like a different approach to it, and when I've been looking at this product online, a lot of people are kind of like creating halo looks of it, and I'm thinking maybe because the texture of the foil one is so thick, it might work better dabbing on with my finger. And for this look, I'm going to use another one of the Eye Glistens, and I'm going to use It's Fate, which is like a champagne gold colour and like a cool gold glitter. And I'm just going to push my hair back. As you can see already, I've done my eye makeup and I've kind of gone for like neutral brown cool tones. So again, I'm just taking it on the brush, but I'm going to apply it on my finger instead. And I'm just going to dab it in the centre of my lid. Okay, my opinion has 100% changed now. I am in love. I love the application brush, do not get me wrong. But if you want to make like a halo look, which I personally think these Eye Glistens work a lot better for, applying these Eye Glistens with your finger has so much more control. It goes on so much thinner and you can blend it out so much better. So now I'm just going to do it on the other side as well. So again, I'm going to take the product onto my finger. I am in love with these. Oh my god. Using this method is so much easier to blend it in with the other eyeshadows, especially if you're doing a halo. Like, you can literally just kind of rub the other shadow and it blends really nicely. Whereas the problem I had when I was doing like a little cut crease one is it literally layered on top of each other and like cracked and did not look good at all. And to be honest, it doesn't look like it's going to end up cracking and flaking off because it's so much thinner. You can see even how thin it is. The pigmentation is insane. Like, that glow is ridiculous. So now I'm going to go in with the glitter from It's Fate. And I'm going to do the same again, where I take it on my finger and I'm just going to dab it lightly onto the lid. So much better. It doesn't take the product off underneath. The glitter sits really nice on the lid if you just lightly tap it on. There is so much glitter on the lid as well. Like, it's a nice natural amount that isn't too like, oh my god, it's gonna like flake off into your eye. It's like a nice natural amount that feels really lightweight. I had my hopes set so high for these products, and when I did that first look, it didn't really meet my expectations, and now I've done it this way around and they are so much better. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So I'm just going to pop off camera quickly, finish this look with like eyeliner, mascara, fake lashes, all the jazz, and I'll come back and show you the final result. So this is my completed look. I am absolutely loving this one compared to the first one. I'm so happy. I tried a new look, tried to experiment a bit more, because I feel like this look turned out so much better, and I'm so happy that these products have now reached and overreached my expectations. So yeah, I think that was my video done. If you guys did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more from me, then remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified when I upload videos. It's really super cute when you guys do that. If you guys have tried these Eye Glistens yourself, let me know in the comments below what you think. Like, which one of the eye looks was your favourite? Did you prefer the pink kind of cut crease, or did you prefer this like natural golden halo look? Like, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next couple of videos. Bye!